Hi guys, good morning. Welcome to Shiva Banking and Current Affairs Academy. Today in this video we will discuss important current affairs of April month. Guys, this is part 1. Total we discuss 100 questions in this video. Next video we will discuss remaining 100 questions. So these are the important questions. Please listen carefully. Let's start the session. National Highway Authority of India has achieved the record of constructing 3,979 km highways in the financial year 2020. Who is the chairman of National Highway Authority of India? And the answer is Sukhbir Singh Sandhu. So recently National Highway Authority of India has achieved a record by constructing 3,979 km highways in this financial year, and the present chairman of National Highway Authority of India is Sukhbir Singh Sandhu. Next question. Name the Indian state or union territory which has announced 5T plan. 5T stands for testing, tracing, treatment, teamwork and tracking. This 5T is to plan to control COVID-19 and it is launched by New Delhi. So recently New Delhi government has launched 5T plan. The present CM of New Delhi is Arvind Kejriwal and the governor is Anil Baijal. 5T full form is important: testing, tracing, treatment, teamwork and tracking. Next question. Name the initiative which has launched by HRD Minister, Human Resource Development Ministry along with AICTE. AICTE stands for All India Council for Technical Education, for students to fight COVID-19, and the answer is Samadhan. So recently HRD Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank has signed MOU with AICTE for launching Samadhan initiative. This initiative is for students to fight COVID-19. Next, which Indian city ranked top smart city in India for its execution of smart projects in handling COVID-19 pandemic? And the answer is Ahmedabad, which is situated in Gujarat. So recently smart projects ranking top smart city is Ahmedabad. This project is handling COVID-19 pandemic. The present CM of Gujarat is Vijay Rupani and the governor is Acharya Devavrat. Next question. What is the name of mobile doctor booth that was developed by West Central Railways Coach Rehabilitation Workshop? This West Coast Railways Coach Rehabilitation Workshop is located in Madhya Pradesh. So recently it developed Charak mobile doctor booth. So the answer is Charak. Next. With which world organization Hindustan Unilever Limited joined launching Ash Break the Chain campaign to combat COVID-19? And the answer is UNICEF. UNICEF stands for United Nations Children Fund. So recently Hindustan Unilever Limited and UNICEF has jointly launched the Ash Break the Chain campaign to combat COVID-19. The headquarters of UNICEF is located in New York, US, and the present Secretary General is Henrietta H. Pore. And the headquarters of Commonwealth Nations is located in London, UK. And the headquarters of World Health Organization is located in Geneva, Switzerland. And the present Secretary General is Tedros Adhanom. Next. Which organization organizes Break the Corona Chain campaign on ground zero of various Indian states? And the answer is IFFCO. IFFCO stands for Indian Farmers Fertilizer Cooperative. So recently IFFCO has launched the Break the Corona Chain campaign. The headquarters of IFFCO is located in Delhi. And the headquarters of Confederation of Indian Industry is located in Delhi. Recently Uday Kotak has appointed as the new president of Confederation of Indian Industry. So guys, don't confuse. Break the Chain, it is launched by Hindustan Unilever Limited and UNICEF. And Break the Corona Chain, it is launched by IFFCO. Next question. Name the Indian state or union territory which launched Operation Shield in containment areas against COVID-19, and the answer is Delhi. So recently Delhi government has launched Operation Shield in containment areas against COVID-19. Guys, comment your answer. What is the full form of Shield? And recently New Delhi government has also launched 5T. Previously we discussed. Next. Name the Indian ministry which has launched Bharat Pade online campaign, and the answer is Ministry of Human and Resource Development. So Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank is the present HRD minister. Recently he launched Bharat Pade online campaign. And the remaining options: Health and Family Welfare Minister is Harshavardhan, Home Affairs Ministry is Amit Shah, External Affairs Ministry is Subramaniam Jaishankar. Next question. Name the railway station which is the first in Indian Railways to install sanitizing tunnels, and the answer is Ahmedabad railway station, so which is in Gujarat. So Ahmedabad railway station is the first railway station in our country which installs sanitizing tunnels, and the present CM of Gujarat is Vijay Rupani. Next question. Name the Indian state which has launched Food Bank initiative with the theme Help End Hunger Today for Poor and Needy People, and the answer is Manipur. So recently Manipur state has launched Food Bank initiative under the theme of Help End Hunger Today for poor and needy people due to this COVID-19 pandemic and lockdown. So the question. Name the first state in India which integrates Ayurveda and allopathy to boost immunity of COVID-19 patients, and the answer is Goa. So Goa is the first state in our country which allocates Ayurveda and allopathy to boost immunity of COVID-19 patients. The present CM of Goa is Pramod Sawant. Next question. Name the organization along with Fit India has organizing first ever live fitness sessions for school students during lockdown, and the answer is CBSE. CBSE stands for Central Board of Secondary Education. So CBSE and Fit India jointly organized fitness sessions for school students. The headquarters of CBSE is located in Delhi. Recently Manoj Ahuja is appointed as the new chairman of CBSE. Next question. Name the first Indian state with initiated pool testing for COVID-19 which is approved by ICMR. ICMR stands for Indian Council for Medical Research, and the headquarters of ICMR is located in Delhi. So pool testing, it was initiated by Uttar Pradesh. So the first state in our country which initiated pool testing for COVID-19 is Uttar Pradesh. The present CM of Uttar Pradesh is Yogi Adityanath, and the governor is Anandibin Patel. Next. Jim Corbett National Park has become the India's first quarantine center for animals. Where does Jim Corbett National Park is located? And the answer is Uttarakhand. Guys, we already uploaded national parks video. Please watch that video. We cover total national parks in our country. So the Jim Corbett National Park, it is located in Uttarakhand. This is the first national park which set up quarantine center for animals. The present CM of Uttarakhand is Trivendra Singh Rawat. Next question. Which Indian ministry has launched the webinar series named Dekho Apna Desh? And the answer is Tourism Ministry, and present Tourism Ministry is Prahlad Singh Patel. So Prahlad Singh Patel has launched Dekho Apna Desh webinar series. And remaining options: HRD Minister is Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank, Health Minister is Harshavardhan, Tourism Minister is Prahlad Singh Patel, Home Minister is Amit Shah. Next question. Name the company which has launched Pragati initiative to drive women entrepreneurship and to spread awareness and adoption of technology among women in India. And the answer is Facebook. So recently Facebook has launched the Pragati initiative for the women entrepreneurship to spread awareness and adoption of technology. The headquarters of Facebook, it is located in California, US. Present CEO is Mark Zuckerberg. Next question. Name the first Indian state which carried rapid testing for COVID-19, and the answer is Rajasthan. So Rajasthan is the first state in our country which carried rapid testing. Guys, pool testing, it is carried out by Uttar Pradesh. Rapid testing is Rajasthan. Present CM of Rajasthan is Ashok Gehlot, and the governor is Kalraj Mishra. Next question. Name the person who heads the high-level task force formed by central government for vaccine and drug testing for COVID-19, and the answer is both 1 and 2. So Vinod Pal and Krishnaswamy Vijay Raghavan is the head of the committee which set up by central government for vaccine and drug testing for COVID-19. Next question. Name the first state in the country to get geotag for community kitchens. And the answer is Uttar Pradesh. So Uttar Pradesh is the first state in our country to get geotag for community kitchens. For this geotag, Uttar Pradesh has tie-up with Google and GeoMap location. Next question. Name the superhero who was used by the central government to educate kids how to beat coronavirus. And the answer is Vayu. So central government has used the superhero character Vayu for educate kids how to beat coronavirus. Next. The Hangpan Dada Bridge over Subansiri was revamped and inaugurated by CM of the Pema Khandu. Pema Khandu is the CM of which state? And the answer is Arunachal Pradesh. So Arunachal Pradesh CM Pema Khandu recently inaugurated Hangpan Dada Bridge. This bridge is on the river of Subansiri. Next question. Name the Indian state which has launched eSanjeevani OPD recently. And the answer is Himachal Pradesh. So eSanjeevani OPD, it is launched by Himachal Pradesh government. Guys, another one, Sanjeevani vehicle. Recently this vehicle is launched by Madhya Pradesh government. eSanjeevani OPD, it is launched by Himachal Pradesh. Sanjeevani vehicle, it is launched by Madhya Pradesh. The present CM of Himachal Pradesh is Jairam Thakur and the governor is Bandaru Dattatreya. Next question. Name the program which has launched by HRD Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank on Diksha portal. And the answer is Vidyadhan 2.0. So HRD Minister launched Vidyadhan 2.0 program on Diksha portal. Next question. Name the first state in India which has software based in-house virtual court facility was set up. And the answer is Uttar Pradesh. So Uttar Pradesh is the first state in our country which has launched virtual court facility. It is the software based in-house. And recently Uttar Pradesh government has also launched pool testing and geotag communications. Previously we discussed. And the virtual court facility, it is also launched by Uttar Pradesh. The present CM of Uttar Pradesh is Yogi Adityanath. Next question. The Union Labour Minister has declared which among the following as Public Utility Service PUS for 6 months till October 21st, 2020 under the provisions of the Industrial Disputes Act 1947. And the answer is banking industry. So recently Labour Ministry has declared public utility service for banking industry for 6 months till October 21st, 2020 under the provisions of the Industrial Disputes Act 1947. Public utility service means bank employees does not allowed to do any strike during this 6 months till October 21st, 2020. Bank employees do not allowed to do any strikes. Next question. Name the ministry which has launched Ash My Book My Friend campaign on World Book Day. Guys, comment your answer. On which day we celebrated World Book Day? And this answer is Ministry of HRD. So Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank, HRD Minister, has launched Ash My Book My Friend campaign on World Book Day. Next question. Name the first government hospital in India which successfully launched convalescent plasma therapy CPT treatment for the COVID-19 patients. And the answer is King George Medical University. So King George Medical University is the first government hospital in India which launched convalescent plasma therapy treatment for the COVID-19 patients. Next question. Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change Prakash Javadekar has participated 11th session of Petersburg Climate Dialogue 2020. Name the country which hosts this Petersburg Dialogue since 2010 and it is co-chaired by UK country. So this is launched by Germany. So 11th session of Petersburg Climate Dialogue 2020, it is hosted by Germany country and our Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change Prakash Javadekar has participated in this dialogue. The capital of Germany is Berlin and the currency is euro. Next. Name the Indian ministry which introduced Companies Fresh Start Scheme 2020 and revised LLP Settlement Scheme 2020. And the answer is Ministry of Corporate Affairs. And the present Ministry of Corporate Affairs is Nirmala Sitharaman. She is also Finance Minister. So recently Nirmala Sitharaman has launched Companies Fresh Start Scheme 2020 and revised LLP. LLP stands for Limited Liability Partnership Settlement Scheme 2020. Next, what is the limit for a person reside in Jammu and Kashmir to become permanent residents of the Union Territory as per revised norms? So recently Jammu and Kashmir has revised norms. If a person has become a permanent resident of Jammu and Kashmir, he at least lives in the Jammu and Kashmir for 15 years. Next, and the present Lieutenant Governor of Jammu and Kashmir is Girish Chandra Murmu. Next question. Name the organization which launched the competition titled United Against Corona Express Through Art, the art in the time of Corona, and the answer is ICCR. So Indian Council for Cultural Relations has launched United Against Corona Express Through Art competition. So the headquarters of ICCR, it is located in Delhi, and the present president is Vinay Sahasrabuddhe. Next, name the Indian state which proposed to buy novel contraption MOM, portable multi-feed oxygen manifold, and the answer is Andhra Pradesh government. So recently Andhra Pradesh government has launched portable multi-feed oxygen manifold to buy this. It is developed by Naval Dockyard Visakhapatnam, which is located in Andhra Pradesh. So recently Naval Dockyard Visakhapatnam has developed portable multi-feed oxygen manifold, and recently Andhra Pradesh government has buy this portable multi-feed oxygen manifold. The present CM of Andhra Pradesh is YS Jagan Mohan Reddy, and the governor is Bishwa Bhushan Harichandan. Next, with which company Kerala based SCTI MST, Sri Chitra Tirunal Institute of Medical Science and Technology, collaborated to make portable lightweight emergency ventilator system? And the answer is Wipro 3D. So Kerala based Sri Chitra Tirunal Institute of Medical Science and Technology and Wipro 3D has collaborated to make portable lightweight emergency ventilator system. Next question. In collaboration with which world organization Odisha government has launched Mo Pratibha? Mo Pratibha means My Talent program to engage kids during lockdown, and the answer is UNICEF, United Nations Children Fund. So recently United Nations Children Fund and Odisha government has collaborated to launch Mo Pratibha program. Mo Pratibha means My Talent. The present CM of Odisha is Naveen Patnaik, and the headquarters of UNICEF is located in New York, US, and the headquarters of World Health Organization, it is located in Geneva, Switzerland. Next, name the hackathon which is launched by Sanjay Dhotre. Sanjay Dhotre is the HRD and IT Minister for State to solve the problems due to COVID-19, and the answer is Hack the Crisis India. So Sanjay Dhotre has launched Hack the Crisis India to solve the problems due to COVID-19, and Sanjay Dhotre is the HRD and IT Minister of State. Next, name the initiative launched by Civil Service Officers Association to fight COVID-19, and the answer is Karuna. Karuna stands for Civil Service Association's reach to support in natural disasters. So Karuna, it is launched by Civil Service Officers to fight COVID-19. Next, with which company National Health Authority has partnered to provide transport services to frontline healthcare workers? And the answer is Uber. So National Health Authority and Uber has partnered to provide transport services to frontline healthcare workers. Next question. Find the operation which has conducted by Indian Air Force to transport 6.2 tons of essential medicines to Maldives, and the answer is Operation Sanjeevani. So Operation Sanjeevani, it is launched by Indian Air Force to transport 6.2 tons of essential medicines to the Maldives country. The capital of Maldives is Malé, and the currency is rupee. And guys, Operation Vanilla, it is launched by Indian Navy to help Madagascar country, because in this Madagascar recently one cyclone which is named Diane has hit. So for the support, Indian Navy has launched Operation Vanilla for Madagascar country. Next, with which country India has completed 70-year diplomatic relations recently? And the answer is China. So India and China has recently completed 70-year diplomatic relations. Next, Name the organization which has adapted global solidarity to fight the coronavirus disease 2019, and the answer is UNGA. UNGA stands for United Nations General Assembly, and the headquarters of this UNGA is located in New York, US, and the present president is Tijani Muhammad Bande. So recently United Nations General Assembly has adapted global solidarity. Next, what is the name of the tiger which was from New York Bronx Zoo infected with COVID-19? And the answer is Nadia. So New York's Bronx Zoo tiger Nadia was infected with COVID-19. Next, UN approved $2.5 million to help Vanuatu, which is affected by the cyclone Harald. What is the capital of Vanuatu and currency? And the answer is Port Vila and Vaatu. So the capital of Vanuatu is Port Vila and the currency is Vaatu. And recently United Nations has approved $2.5 million for Vanuatu because the Vanuatu has recently affected by the cyclone Harald. Next, name the organization which has launched Lockdown Learner series of online dialogues with students and educators in India on COVID-19, and the answer is UNODC. So United Nations Office on Drugs and Crimes recently organized Lockdown Learner series. It is an online dialogues with students and educators, and the headquarters of UNODC, it is located in Vienna, Austria, and the headquarters of World Meteorological Organization is Geneva, Switzerland, and the headquarters of UNESCO, it is located in Paris, France, and the headquarters of United Nations Industrial Development Organization, it is located in Vienna, Austria. Next, name the first Arab nation which is going to legalize cannabis farming, and the answer is Lebanon. So Lebanon is the first Arab nation which is going to legalize cannabis farming. The capital of Lebanon is Beirut and the currency is pound. The capital of Yemen is Sana'a and the currency is rial. The capital of Oman is Muscat and the currency is rial. Next, which group of countries has launched the Access to COVID-19 Accelerator Tool initiative? And the answer is G20. So recently G20 countries has launched Access to COVID-19 Tools Accelerator initiative. Guys, recently we uploaded one video on international organizations and its members. So we will discuss on that video Asian countries, G20, SAARC, G7, BRICS. So please watch that video. Next, name the Indian state which provides free food to citizens via Mukhyamantri Didi Kitchen, and the answer is Jharkhand. So Jharkhand will provide free food to the citizens via Mukhyamantri Didi Kitchen. So Mukhyamantri Didi Kitchen scheme belongs to Jharkhand state. Next, name the Indian state which has launched Chief Minister COVID-19 Yodha Kalyan Yojana to benefit Anganwadi workers and assistants, and the answer is Madhya Pradesh. So Madhya Pradesh government has launched Chief Minister COVID-19 Yodha Kalyan Yojana to benefit Anganwadi workers and assistants. In this scheme, Madhya Pradesh government will provide 50 lakh health insurance cover for Anganwadi workers and assistants. The present CM of Madhya Pradesh is Shivraj Singh Chauhan and the governor is Lalji Tandon. Next question. Which state government has approved third edition of the Sujalam Sufalam Jal Sanchay Abhiyan, a conservation plan to deepen water bodies in the state? And the answer is Gujarat. So Gujarat government has recently launched the third edition of Sujalam Sufalam Jal Sanchay Abhiyan. Next, name the Indian state which has launched Dhanvantari scheme under which locally unavailable medicines will be delivered to the patients at home. And the answer is Assam. So recently Dhanvantari scheme, it is launched by the Assam. This scheme will provide medicines to the patients at home. The present CM of Assam is Sarbanand Sonowal. Next, which Indian state CM has relaunched zero interest loan scheme for women self-help groups? And the answer is Andhra Pradesh. So recently Andhra Pradesh CM has launched zero interest loan scheme for women self-help groups. The present CM of Andhra Pradesh is YS Jagan Mohan Reddy. Next question. Name the Indian state which has launched Jeevan Shakti Yojana to enable women in urban areas to earn by making masks at home. And the answer is Madhya Pradesh. So Madhya Pradesh government has launched Jeevan Shakti Yojana. In this Yojana, every woman will making a masks at home and government provide 11 rupees for each mask. Next, name the Indian state which has launched a unique initiative named Ambare Anganwadi to help children during lockdown. And the answer is Gujarat. So Gujarat government recently launched Ambare Anganwadi initiative to help children during lockdown. Next, which state government has launched Jeevan Amrit Yojana scheme to boost the immunization system of people to fight COVID-19? And the answer is Madhya Pradesh. So Madhya Pradesh government has recently launched Jeevan Amrit Yojana. Under this scheme, government will provide Ayurveda product to boost the immunization system of people. Next, which private sector bank of India has launched banking services in WhatsApp? And the answer is ICICI Bank. So recently ICICI Bank has launched banking services in WhatsApp. The headquarters of ICICI Bank is located in Mumbai, Maharashtra, and also HDFC and Axis Bank headquarters also located in Mumbai, Maharashtra, and IndusInd Bank headquarters is located in Pune, Maharashtra. Next, with which general insurance company is partnership with BharatPe and launched COVID-19 protection insurance cover for shopkeepers? And the answer is ICICI Lombard. So ICICI Lombard and BharatPe, these both are launched COVID-19 protection insurance cover for shopkeepers. And the headquarters of ICICI Lombard is located in Mumbai, Maharashtra. Next question. What is the amount that was granted by ADB, Asian Development Bank, to Awas financiers to improve women access to housing in India? And the answer is $60 million. So ADB recently provided $60 million to Awas financiers to improve women's access to housing in India. The headquarters of ADB is located in Manila, Philippines, and the present president is Masatsugu Asakawa. Next, Corona Care is the India's first hospitalization insurance provided by which digital payments company in collaboration with Bajaj Allianz General Insurance? And the answer is PhonePe. So recently PhonePe and Bajaj Allianz General Insurance companies has launched digital hospitalization insurance cover which is named Corona Care. So Corona Care, it is launched by PhonePe and Bajaj Allianz General Insurance company. Next question. Name the public sector bank which has listed green bonds worth of $100 million in India INX's Global Security Market Green Platform. And the answer is SBI. So recently SBI government has listed green bonds with $100 million of worth in GSM. The headquarters of SBI is located in Mumbai, Maharashtra, and the present chairman is Rajnish Kumar. And next, the RBI has relaxed norms, increases the number of days that state and union territory can continue overdraft in how many days? Previously this time is 14 days and recently RBI has increased this 21 days. So the present tenure of the states and union territories for overdraft facility is 21 days and previously it was 14 days. And the headquarters of RBI is located in Mumbai, Maharashtra, and the present governor of RBI is Shakti Kanta Das, and the establishment year of RBI is 1935. Next question. Name the payments bank which has joined with Bharati AXA General Insurance Company and launched Bharati AXA Group Health Assure Policy and Group Hospital Cash Insurance Plans. And the answer is Airtel Payment Bank. So recently Bharati AXA General Insurance Company and Airtel Payment Bank both are jointly launched Bharat AXA Group Health Assure Policy and Group Hospital Cash. Next question. Name the public sector bank which has initiated 4 schemes for SHG. SHG stands for Self-Help Groups, FPO were Farmer Produce Organizations and Farming Community to tackle impact of COVID-19. So these 4 schemes is launched by Bank of Baroda. Bank of Baroda headquarters is located in Vadodara, Gujarat. Next. Name the small finance bank which has launched a digital banking finance platform DigiGen, and the answer is Jana Small Finance Bank. So Jana Small Finance Bank has recently launched DigiGen. It is one of the digital banking platform. The headquarters of Jana Small Finance Bank is located in Bengaluru, Karnataka, and Ujjivan Small Finance Bank headquarters is also located in Bengaluru, Karnataka. AU Small Finance Bank headquarters is located in Jaipur, Rajasthan. ESAF Small Finance Bank is located in Thrissur, Kerala. Next, name the private sector bank which has extended the bank assurance with the Max Life insurance for 5 more years and dedicated financial year 21 as the year of customer, and the answer is S Bank. So recently S Bank has extended the bank assurance with Max Life insurance for 5 more years and dedicated financial year 21 as the year of customer. Bank assurance means to sell the insurance products. It is called bank assurance. The headquarters of S Bank is located in Mumbai, Maharashtra. Present MD and CEO is Prashant Kumar. Next, with which public sector bank the government telecom operator BSNL has partnered to launch Bharat InstaPay? It is an UPI based payment platform, and the answer is SBI. So recently SBI and BSNL has partnered to launch Bharat InstaPay. It is an UPI based payment platform. Next, name the bank which has launched safety grid campaign for social distancing, and the answer is HDFC Bank. So recently HDFC Bank has launched safety grid campaign for social distancing. The headquarters of HDFC is located in Mumbai, Maharashtra. Present CEO is Aditya Puri. Next, name the first insurance company in India which has announced additional benefits for its policy holders and agents to support them during the COVID-19 pandemic, and the answer is Tata AIA Life Insurance. So Tata AIA Life Insurance is the first insurance company in our country. It announced additional benefits for policy holders and agents to support them during the COVID-19 pandemic, and the headquarters of Tata AIA Life Insurance, it is located in Mumbai, Maharashtra. Next, the Equitas Small Finance Bank has launched selfie fixed deposits and selfie saving accounts to expand its digital banking services recently. Where is the headquarters of Equitas Small Finance Bank is located? And the answer is Chennai. So recently Equitas Small Finance Bank has launched selfie fixed deposits and selfie saving accounts. The headquarters of Equitas Small Finance Bank is located in Chennai, Tamil Nadu. Next question. Name the private bank in India which has launched voice assistance based banking services iPal with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. So the answer is ICICI Bank. So iPal, it is an artificial intelligence chatbot. It is launched by ICICI Bank. The headquarters of ICICI Bank is located in Mumbai, Maharashtra. These 4 banks headquarters is also located in Mumbai, Maharashtra. Next, RBI has cancelled the licensing to conduct banking business of which urban cooperative bank? And the answer is Mapusa Urban Cooperative Bank. So recently Goa based Mapusa Urban Cooperative Bank license was cancelled by RBI. Next, which Indian public sector bank has launched working capital demand loan for agriculture sector? And the answer is Indian Overseas Bank. So recently Indian Overseas Bank has launched working capital demand loan for agriculture sector. The headquarters of Indian Overseas Bank is located in Chennai, Tamil Nadu, and the headquarters of Punjab National Bank is Delhi. Next, to which Indian state World Bank has approved 585 crores for the upgradation of roads and modernization of public works department? And the answer is Himachal Pradesh. So recently World Bank has approved 585 crores for the Himachal Pradesh states for the upgradation of roads and modernization of public works department. The headquarters of World Bank is located in Washington DC, US, and the present president is David Malapas. Next question. RBI node to enter into co-branding arrangements for prepaid instruments? And the answer is Transcorp International Limited. So Transcorp International Limited is the first non-bank company which gets RBI approval for co-branding arrangements. Next, Indian Overseas Bank has launched a special borrowing program for self-help groups to help them to amid COVID-19. crisis. Where is the headquarters of Indian Overseas Bank is located? And the answer is Chennai, Tamil Nadu. So the headquarters of Indian Overseas Bank is located in Chennai, Tamil Nadu. Recently it is launched a special borrowing program for self-help groups. Next, the Asian Development Bank ADB has approved $346 million for the which state to provide better power connection in rural areas? And the answer is Maharashtra. So ADB has recently provided $346 million loan for Maharashtra to provide better power connection in rural areas. And the present CM of Maharashtra is Uddhav Thackeray and the governor is Bhagat Singh Koshyari. Next, which Indian IT company has partnered with IBM to set up innovation centers? And the answer is Tech Mahindra. So recently IBM has partnered with Tech Mahindra to set up innovation centers. And the full form of IBM is International Business Machines. And the headquarters is located in New York, US. And the headquarters of Tech Mahindra is Pune, Maharashtra. Next question. With which healthcare startup Rajasthan government has partnered to tackle COVID-19 using integrated solution Ayu and Sehat Sati app? And the answer is Medcards. So recently Rajasthan government has partnered with Medcards for launching Ayu and Sehat Sati app. These apps were to tackle COVID-19. Next, name the telecom company which has tie-up with Paytm for Recharge Sati, and the answer is Vodafone India. So Vodafone India and Paytm has recently launched Recharge Sati initiative. Next, name the person who has been appointed as the chairman of NASSCOM. NASSCOM full form is National Association of Software and Services Company. So recently UB Praveen Rao is appointed as the new chairman of NASSCOM. The headquarters of NASSCOM it is located in Delhi. Next, name the Indian women cricketer who has been appointed as the brand ambassador for PepsiCo, and the answer is Shafali Verma. So Shafali Verma is the brand ambassador for PepsiCo. Next, name the person who has been appointed as the MD and CEO of Bharati AXA Life Insurance Company, and the answer is Parag Raja. So Parag Raja is the MD and CEO of Bharati AXA Life Insurance Company, and the headquarters of Bharati AXA Life Insurance Company is located in Mumbai, Maharashtra. Next question. Find the person who has been appointed as the MD and CEO of IFCO Tokyo General Insurance Company, and the answer is Anamika Rai Rastravar. So Anamika Rai Rastravar is the first woman MD and CEO of IFCO Tokyo General Insurance, and the headquarters of this IFCO Tokyo General Insurance is located in Gurugram, Haryana. Next, RBI has approved reappointment of Sanjay Agarwal as the MD and CEO of AU Small Finance Bank, which is the headquarters is located in Jaipur, who has been appointed as the part-time chairman of the bank, and the answer is Raj Vikas Verma. So recently RBI has approved AU Small Finance Bank MD and CEO reappointed Sanjay Agarwal, and part-time chairman as appointed as the Raj Vikas Verma, and the headquarters of AU Small Finance Bank is located in Jaipur, which is in Rajasthan. Next, who is the face of RBI's Twitter campaign to adapt digital modes of payments? And the answer is Amitabh Bachchan. So RBI's Twitter campaign, it is the digital mode of payments. This campaign ambassador is Amitabh Bachchan. Next, and the headquarters of Twitter is located in California, US, and the present CEO is Jack Dorsey. Jack Dorsey is the present CEO of Twitter. Next, name the person who has been reappointed as the MD and CEO of Karnataka Bank for next 3 years, and the answer is Mahabaleshwara MS. So Mahabaleshwara MS is reappointed as the MD and CEO for Karnataka Bank for the next 3 years. Next, name the Indian former RBI governor who has been part of IMF's 12-member external advisory group, and the answer is Raghuram Rajan. So Raghuram Rajan is the member of the IMF's 12-member external advisory group. IMF stands for International Monetary Fund, and the headquarters of IMF is located in Washington DC, US, and the present MD is Kristalina Georgieva. Next, name the Bollywood actress who has been appointed as the brand ambassador of JBL company, which was titled Live It Real, Live It Raw. And the answer is Sara Ali Khan. So Sara Ali Khan is the brand ambassador of JBL Campion. Next, name the Indian cricketer who has been appointed as the brand ambassador of Poker Stars India. And the answer is MS Dhoni. So Poker Stars India brand ambassador is MS Dhoni, Mahendra Singh Dhoni. Next, name the person who has been appointed as the MD and CEO of credit rating agency or CARE Ratings, which is the headquarters in Mumbai, Maharashtra. And the answer is Ajay Mahajan. So Ajay Mahajan is the new MD and CEO of credit rating agency of CARE Ratings, and the headquarters of CARE is located in Mumbai, Maharashtra. Next, find the Indian cricket player who has been appointed as the brand ambassador for Dubai-based cricket coaching academy Crick Kingdom. And the answer is Rohit Sharma. So Rohit Sharma is the brand ambassador for Crick Kingdom. This is the Dubai-based cricket coaching academy. Next, Vineet Arora has been appointed as MD and CEO of which insurance company? And the answer is Paytm General Insurance Limited. So Paytm General Insurance Limited recently appointed Vineet Arora as the new MD and CEO. Next question. Name the person who has been appointed as the ambassador of World Wildlife Fund India's Environment Education Program. And the answer is Vishwanath Anand. So famous chess player Vishwanath Anand has been appointed as the ambassador for World Wildlife Fund. The headquarters of World Wildlife Fund is located in Gland, Switzerland. Next, name the person who has been appointed as the Chief Justice of Bombay High Court. And the answer is Deepankar Datta. So Deepankar Datta is the new Chief Justice of Bombay High Court. Recently Vishwanath Somadar he is appointed as the Chief Justice of Meghalaya, and Mohammad Rafiq appointed as the Chief Justice of Odisha. These three are the new appointments. Next, name the person who has been reappointed as the MD and CEO of City Union Bank. And the answer is N. Kamakodi. So N. Kamakodi is the MD and CEO of City Union Bank, and the headquarters of City Union Bank it is located in Kumbakonam, Tamil Nadu. Next, Noel Quinn has been appointed as the CEO of which multinational bank? And the answer is HSBC. HSBC stands for Hong Kong Shanghai Banking Corporation. So HSBC Bank appointed recently Noel Quinn as the new CEO, and the headquarters of HSBC Bank is located in London, UK. Next question. Find the Indian badminton player who has been named as one of the ambassadors of Badminton World Federation's I Am Badminton campaign. So recently Badminton World Federation has conducted I Am Badminton campaign. So this campaign brand ambassador is PV Sindhu. She is from Telangana. Next question. Neeraj Vyas has been appointed as the MD and CEO of Punjab National Bank Housing Finance Limited. Where is the headquarters of Punjab National Bank Housing Finance Limited? And the answer is New Delhi. So Punjab National Bank Housing Finance Limited new MD and CEO is Neeraj Vyas. Next question. J. Arun Kumar from Karnataka has been appointed as the head coach of which national men's cricket team? And the answer is USA. So USA national men's cricket team head coach is J. Arun Kumar. He is from Karnataka. Next question. Who among the following has been appointed as the president of IMMA? IMMA stands for International Motorcycle Manufacturers Association, and the answer is Rakesh Sharma. So Rakesh Sharma is newly appointed as the president of International Motorcycle Manufacturers Association. So guys, these are the important 100 questions of the April month. If you want PDF or quiz based on this video, join our Telegram channel. Link is given in description box. We already uploaded March, February, January, May month current affairs. So please watch that videos also. Please subscribe our channel and like the video and press the bell icon to get all the notifications of our channel. So thank you for watching the video.